All right, just wanted to give you a quick update on our pandemic projects. If you go back and look at some of my older videos, you'll know we made our guest room into a office slash schoolroom slash guest room, and the main thing was turning the bed into a Murphy bed. So here's the finished project. We've installed some trim on the bed itself, and then we put these built-ins with cabinets on each side of the bed, so that is finally done. We were going to make a shelf at the top, but it was going to be too small, so we a last minute design change to fill that in. So that's all done now. And of course, we had the earlier video about our desk here, the IKEA cabinets. And then we made the custom top for the desk. And then the final project I wanted to show was this little side table here. Really simple. We didn't want something too wide because it needs space when the bed folds down. You still want some space in there. So we just ended up taking I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just 2x4s. I think they were like 8.5 feet long. So I think the desk is or the table something like 36 inches long and 34 inches high, something like that. So just cut 45 degrees angles with a miter saw, and then just put the bottom layer down and started doing screws from this way so you can't see anything along the front. But they're just all screwed together. Did a couple here on the sides. Since this little side table is never going to move and it's pretty heavy, we didn't want it to fall on anyone, so then I ended up putting, if you can see, little L brackets that are screwed into the studs. And I did an additional L bracket for a little support there. And then some decorations, so it's a cute little side table. It's really easy, really cheap. And so yeah, that kind of fills out our office. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks.